Before we dive into today's story, make sure you hit that subscribe button to Worth Old Coin Value, where we uncover the hidden treasures sitting right in your pocket change or tucked away in an old drawer. You never know, you might just be holding a small fortune without even realizing it. Now, let's talk about a coin that carries not only the shine of silver, but also the spirit of a nation, the 1973 Kennedy half dollar. This coin isn't just metal and mint marks. It's a living piece of American memory. The Kennedy half dollar was born out of grief and pride. After the assassination of President John F. Kennedy in 1963, the nation wanted a way to honor the man whose charisma and courage had inspired millions. Just months later, in 1964, the U.S. Mint struck the very first Kennedy half dollars, and they were met with overwhelming emotion. People didn't spend them, they kept them. They were more than money, they were a tribute. Fast forward to 1973. America was changing. The Vietnam War was nearing its end, and a new generation was stepping up. The 1973 Kennedy half dollar reflected that era, strong, bold, and a little different. But here's something most people don't realize. The 1973 Kennedy half dollar wasn't released into general circulation right away. That's right, it was made mostly for collectors in mint sets and proof sets. That small detail makes a huge difference today. You see, fewer coins meant fewer chances for these halves to get worn down in pockets and cash drawers. Many stayed crisp, shining, and nearly untouched, waiting for collectors decades later to rediscover them. Let's picture it. You open an old cigar box from your father or grandfather, maybe tucked away in the back of a drawer. You see a shiny half dollar with John F. Kennedy's proud profile on one side and the presidential seal on the other. The year reads 1973. You might think it's just a half dollar worth 50 cents. But what if I told you that this coin, under the right circumstances, could be worth a life-changing amount? The 1973 Kennedy half dollar was struck in two main places, the Philadelphia Mint with no mint mark and the Denver Mint with a small D mark. There was also a special proof version struck at the San Francisco Mint, carrying an S mint mark. The regular circulation strikes are made of copper nickel, while the proof coins, those mirror-finished beauties, were produced for collectors. Now, not every 1973 Kennedy half dollar is valuable, of course. Most are worth a few dollars today, in good condition. But what collectors really hunt for are those rare examples that stand out. Perfect condition coins, mint errors, and exceptional strikes. Imagine a coin so pristine that even under magnification, there's not a single scratch. These are known as MS-70 coins, flawless, museum-quality examples. They're incredibly rare. Then there are mint errors, coins that were struck off-center, had doubled images, or were produced on the wrong metal planchet. These mistakes are like winning lottery tickets for coin collectors. Point 1. Such 1973 Kennedy half dollar shocked the numismatic world when it sold for an unbelievable price. It wasn't just a coin, it was a time capsule, a flawless survivor from the early 1970s. Experts said it had perfect luster, perfect detail, and perfect preservation. When it went up for auction, the bids didn't just climb, they exploded. Collectors knew they were looking at something extraordinary, something that would never appear again in the same condition. When the gavel finally fell, the final price left everyone speechless. The 1973 Kennedy half dollar sold for an astonishing $5 million. Yes, you heard that right. $5 million for a 50-cent coin. That's the magic of coins like this. They remind us that history isn't always sitting behind glass in a museum. Sometimes it's jingling in an old coffee can, waiting for the right pair of eyes to notice. These coins connect us to the past, to the era of President Kennedy, to our fathers and grandfathers who carried them, and to the pride of being part of a nation that marks its milestones not just in books, but in the metal we hold in our hands. So, the next time you come across this coin 1973 Kennedy half dollar coin history, don't just glance at it and toss it aside. take a moment to look closer. Check the mint mark, check the condition, and imagine the journey it's taken to reach you. Who knows? It might just be one of those rare treasures worth far more than anyone could guess. And remember, every coin has a story. Some stories are worth 50 cents. Others are worth $5 million. If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more hidden treasures from history, make sure you subscribe to Worth Old Coin Value and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to find out what your old coins might really be worth. Who knows? The next one could change your life.